In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a petty cash account into Xero and record payments and receipts. Let's start by logging into Xero accounting software. Open your browser and visit the Xero login page. Once there, click on the login button and carefully enter your email and password. Then click on login again to access your account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see an overview of your financial data. From here, we want to navigate to the accounting section. Click on Accounting and then select Bank Accounts from the drop-down menu. This is where you can manage all your bank and cash accounts in Xero. Next, locate and click on the option to add a bank account. Here, you'll be given a choice to add a bank account either with or without a bank feed. For petty cash, select Add Without Bank Feed, as this account won't connect directly to a bank. After you've clicked the appropriate option, proceed by clicking Continue. Now it's time to enter some details. First, type in the bank name. Although this is a petty cash account, it's required to fill in a field, so you might enter something like petty cash, then type in the account name. Again, something straightforward like office petty cash will suffice. Moving on, click on Select Account Type. From the options, choose Other. This is important because petty cash doesn't fit into traditional banking categories. You'll also need to enter an account number. This can be a simple numeric identifier of your choice as it isn't linked to an actual bank. Once you've completed this step, click on Add Account to finalize the setup of your petty cash account. After setting up the account, click on the account name to open it. To record a new transaction, look for the Create New button, often depicted by a plus icon, and click on it. When the menu appears, select Receive Money if you're recording funds received into petty cash. Then select the corresponding account, click Next and fill in all required record details such as the amount and date. Once done, make sure you save the entry. For outgoing transactions, you'll repeat the steps to create a new transaction, but this time select Spend Money, choose the appropriate account and click Next. Here, fill in the details, noting what the petty cash was spent on. Just like before, once you've filled in all the details, click on Save. Congratulations, you've successfully added a petty cash account into Xero and recorded your payments and receipts. Regular updates will ensure accuracy in your financial records. Don't forget to save your work whenever prompted to prevent any data loss. Thanks for following along and stay tuned for more tutorials.